following the wise, but they're walking in Pampers. Give me a cigarette, smoking my cancer. Drink the pain away, but I still have no answer. It's down the road. Don't know which way to go. I'm losing my mind, losing control of the wheel, and I'm swerving on and off the road. I'm lost on the road, but survival is a must. I don't know who I can trust. I'm living in a rush. I don't understand the fuss. My brain is about to bust. I think I'm losing it. I might be losing it. I just might losing my mind. And I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Man, I need a clue before I run out of time. Am I losing it? Am I losing that? I think I'm losing my mind. Am I losing it? Am I losing that? I think I'm losing my mind.
I'ma need counseling. I lost my mind and still haven't found it. I used to be so well-rounded, but now I tiptoe on hell's boundaries. FF baby, aka crazy, trapped in a maze, therefore I am amazing. Block be the doc, I'm just a patient. Ain't even with navigation, I'm lost on the I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'ma keep that styrofoam with me.
Styrofoam.
Lost on the road.